My name is LeetCode. I am currently pursuing my beta degree from Functional School of Technology, and I am currently in my second semester. And in my first semester, I have learned some programming languages like Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. And currently, we are doing some DSA problems. And in this video, I'm going to solve a medium level LeetCode problem. So let me share my screen first. So in this video, I'm going to solve this problem. The name of the problem is find all duplicates in an array. So the question is given an integer array nums of length n, where all the integer of nums are in range 1 to n, and each integer appears once or twice. Return an array of all the integer that appears twice. So we have been given an array nums of length n, and we have to return an array list of all the integer that appears twice. As you can see here, we have to return an array list of integer of type. And we must write an algorithm of term complexity linear and use only constant extra space. So we also have to use only constant extra space. We cannot use any extra space more than that. So the first example as nums 4, 3, 2, 7, 8, 2, 3, 1. So 2 and 3 appears twice here. So we have to return 2 and 3. And in this example too, 1 appears twice. So we have to return 1. And here none of the element appears twice because the length of the nums is once, so how can any element appears twice? So we have to return nothing here. And the constant is n is equal to nums dot length, and the length can be from 1 to 10 to the power 5, and the element it can be between 1 to n. And each element in nums appears once or twice, not more than that or less than that. So to solve this, we first have to make an array list because we have to return the value in array list of integer data type. ARR. So this is how we make an array list, and after that we have to make an integer array of integer data type. So I'm going to name array because we are going to make an frequency counter of array by using array. So I'm going to make a frequency counter using arrays. That's why I'm creating an array. So because we have to use only constant extra space, we are going to make it by seeing the constants here, which is 10 to the power 5, because that's why I'm going to make it 1 extra. The size should be 1 extra of the nums, and after that we are going to run a loop. I'm going to run for each loop here. For that we have to make a frequency counter using array. That's why we have to write each time it will increase the value of this index, which is the element. Every element of the nums will become index of this array, and each time this element appears in this array, the value of array will increase by 1. And after that, we will check. We are going to check if array x equal to, and if array x will be equal to 2, then we can say we can put the this element inside the array list. So to put this, we have to write, we are going to use the add method to put inside the array list. This is how we put this, and we just return array list. And if we run this, it got accepted, and submit this. If we submit this, it beat 92% people with Java, and the space complexity of this code is constant and time complexity is linear as according to the question. So thank you. This is all for this video.